Hello friends, welcome back again. I hope you all are doing good. In this video we will learn how can we create our own template on the Squarespace app. So let's get started. Once you open the Squarespace, you will get this page. Here you can see an option of build your own template. Click on this and you just have to design your homepage, add the pages you need, pick your color palette and choose your font pairing. So click on let's go. What is your site called? So you have to type here about your site. Now click on next. You can build your home page. You just have choose any of this option and you can also choose features selling. Now click on the option next. What other pages do you want to add? So if you want to add something, you can just click on this and click on the next. Now you can choose a color palette for your page. Now click on the next. Choose a font pairing. So just click on the font that you want to choose. Now you can see font has been changed. Now click on the finish option. What would you like to call your site? So you can just, if you want, you can change it. Otherwise click on continue. Now next, again click on next, get started. So now you can see your template is ready for you. So this is how you can create a template here. So that's it for this video guys. I hope it was great help to you. Thanks for watching this and I will see you in the next video.